So today I'm going to be making some avocado soup with I said soup, I meant soap with real avocados. And so all my little supplies. And so I melted all of my butters and oils together. And we're going to get that avocado and we're going to get her nice and smashed up and pureed out. Get her nice and juicy. Whip it, whip it's all in the wrist, okay? And so there's our lye solution. And so I added the avocado to the lye solution. And it was just a mixing, just a mixing. And mixing again. And so I had done added the oils at this time. So we got oils up in there and the oils is just mixing. And we trying to get some trace going, okay? We get in there, you see. She's getting a little thick to her, a little bit of put, a little puddiness to her. And so just a little bit here and there. And then that was my end result after I poured it and everything.